Welcome to Auto Drive Hub, where we bring you the latest and most detailed reviews of the hottest upcoming cars, and today we are diving into the stunning 2025 Aston Martin Vantage, a performance machine that blends British luxury with pure driving adrenaline. The 2025 Vantage arrives with a more aggressive design, a reworked aerodynamic profile, and under-the-hood power that continues Aston Martin's tradition of exhilarating performance. The front end is completely revised, featuring a wider grille, sleeker matrix LED headlights, and sharper body lines that emphasize speed and precision while maintaining its classic proportions. The car looks ready to strike even at a standstill under the hood. The 2025 Vantage is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine that delivers around 656 horsepower, offering a 0 to 100 km/h sprint in just 3.5 seconds. This model is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering power to the rear wheels for that unmistakable sports car feel, and thrilling control enhancements in the suspension setup and adaptive dampers ensure improved ride quality and sharper cornering, whether on city streets or winding mountain roads. Inside the cabin, Aston Martin elevates luxury and driver focus to new levels with fine leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and a redesigned digital interface that offers a 12.3-inch driver display and an updated infotainment system based on Mercedes-Benz technology, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, and over-the-air updates. The seats are ergonomically sculpted for performance driving comfort, while premium audio by Bowers & Wilkins immerses passengers in crystal-clear sound. Safety and driver assistance systems are improved too, with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera, making this Vantage not just a beast on the track but also a refined cruiser for daily commutes. Aston Martin also introduces new customization options, allowing buyers to personalize everything from paint color to stitching details and wheel designs, making each Vantage truly unique with its perfect balance of power, aesthetics, and technology. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage stands as a true symbol of performance, luxury, and heritage. If you're passionate about premium sports cars and want to keep up with the most exciting releases, be sure to hit the subscribe button and join us here at Auto Drive Hub, where performance meets precision and every detail matters.